So it's like October, I don't know, 18 or 19, something like that. And it went from being nice to really cold, so I think I need to rotate all the vehicles around. So it's time to tuck the Lotus back into the corner over there and get the Beetle to the primary repair spot. And of course I got to get the Suzuki out of the way too here. But you guys can watch while I get all that good stuff done. I'll just put it in fast forward later on. Oh, my daughter had been putzing with the radio in the Suzuki. And there was some horrid stuff that sounded like rap going on. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Okay, no rap music in that one because that one doesn't have a radio in it. Alright, that was interesting. I haven't driven it since I got back from Georgia. Back in, when was that? That was July? August, September, October. It was 3 months ago. So I haven't cranked it up in 3 months, which is why it took so long to crank up. There's like no gas left in the carbs, but anyway, it doesn't appear to have any brake fluid left in it, so always something. In addition to the other problems, it's always something. Alright, let's get this Lotus back in there. Alright, so anyway, with the back end of the car back in this direction, you know, as we head into winter, I've got a couple of things I got to do. One, it doesn't idle right. Just old carburetor. I'm sure there's still crud in there that periodically breaks loose and gets in things to shut the idle down. But I also need to work on the oil cooler a little tiny bit. It doesn't draw enough air through the cooler, and I need to fix that. Drove up here no problem out of Georgia, whatever that was close to 1,000 miles, and ran like a champ during the entire time. No oil leaks really. This sludge on the muffler's left over from earlier and whatnot. It doesn't really leak, so it's in good shape. And over here on the Lotus, alright, back up here, I had to tighten up all the hoses for the cooling system, right? So, back in here where the filler neck is, alright, there's some hoses. Of going down to the gas tank, and they're oozing a little bit, so I've got to get in here and tighten the hoses up on this thing, but it's not going to happen right now. It's going to be something for springtime. Oh, but I don't know, I'm not doing anything today. Just wanted to get that done before it got so cold that it would be really, really rotten to get this job done. Anyway, there'll be more later.